Hey guys, today I have a very exciting video for you. I'm here with the amazing Cody Babcock, and she choreographed our whole dance for our new song, Cadillac Dance, which I'm very excited about. And we figured the best way for you guys to learn the dance is to make you guys this video and have her walk you through it. So that's what we're gonna do.
All right, let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right, guys, this dance is 32 counts, 4 walls, with 2 restarts on walls 2 and 7. I'm going to break down the dance into 8 counts. We'll go through all 32 counts together, and then I will break down those restarts for you. Okay, let's get started. You will start out with your weight on your left foot and a heel grind on the right. The heel grind will be fanning your toe from inside to out, and you will do a behind side cross, traveling to the left. Behind side cross. You will do the same thing on your left foot, another heel grind, and a behind side cross, traveling to the right. Behind side cross. Now with our count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Our next set of 8, we will step forward on our right. With a half turn, you will end up with your weight forward on your left. You're going to take a step forward on your right, forward on your left, one more step forward on your right, but you're going to do a half turn kick, and you can make that kick as big as you want or as little as you want, and then a left coaster step. You will step your left foot back, your right next to your left, step your left forward. All right, we're going to do that with the counts now again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Our third set of 8, we will step out on our right foot and make a quarter turn to our left. You're going to also have a slide in that. Feel free to slide as far as you want to. So it's a step, slide, and then it will be a cross step, moving left, cross step. You will slap your right boot with your left hand from behind. Put that heel back down. You will slap your right boot in the front with that left hand, making a quarter turn. You will then put your right foot down in front of your left, cross, unwind, 3/4 turn. You will end up facing the wall directly to your right. Make sure you end with your weight on your left foot as well, because you want that right foot free for your next step. All right, do that with the 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, last set of 8 counts. We're almost there. We will jump forward on our right, kind of kicking your left foot back, recover, jump back on your left, kicking your right foot forward. You will then do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left next to the right, step your right foot forward. You will do 2 scuff stomps to end the dance. So it's a scuff stomp on the left, scuff stomp on the right. That is it. We have learned all 32 counts.
We did it.
I know. All right, let's run through that all together, and then I will show you guys where those restarts are. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right,
Here we go.
Good. And those restarts on walls 2 and 7, so it will be wall 2 is obviously your second wall. Wall 7 will be your second time around, the wall directly behind you. You will do your restart after your first 16 counts. So you will do you'll have your heel grind, behind side cross, heel grind, behind side cross. Step, half turn, stomp, stomp, step, kick, coaster step. So going into that slide, you're gonna go right back into your heel grind. Also, for wall 7, it is encouraged to stop as much as you like, as much as you can. You will hear it in the music. Please make all your steps heavy. Have as much fun as you want with it. You will also hear clapping in the music as well. Feel free to clap along, add your own styling, have fun with it. Also, the dance does end after the first 24 counts. So your last wall, you will slide like you're going into that slide, cross, and slap, but you're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, cross, unwind to face your first wall, 4. Last 4 counts, you just stomp, 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 and that will be the end of the dance.
There you go.
Perfect. Yay.
Awesome. You ready to run through it?
Yeah.
All right, let's
do it.
Pause that minute.
Five, six, seven, eight.
Sitting on the side trying to get